don't swear or anything, or make teacher Ethan look silly. Okay, how far does Usain Bolt run? How far? 100 meters. Very good. All right. And how fast does he run it in? Can anyone remember? You don't remember? Okay, how fast does he run it in? How fast does he run? What time does he do? Yeah, or 9.58 we say. We say 9.58 what? 9.58 what? 9.58 elephants, 9.58. No, time, it's time. It's time. No, it's his time. What time does he do? Minutes, hours, years? 9.58 what? 9.58 seconds. All right, okay. Now, who can tell me what's the equation for speed? Very good. Yes, speed equals distance divided by time. So, can you tell me in meters per second how quickly he runs? Use your calculator? Yeah, use your calculator. Ten point what? 10.4. Can you round it up? Do you round it up or do you round it down? 10.4. It's 10.44. Alright, 10.44. So, 10.44 meters per second. Alright, now we're going to work it out in kilometers per hour. So, if he runs 100 meters, what is that in kilometers? There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So, how far is that in kilometers? 100 meters is how many kilometers? No, there's 1,000 kilometers. Yeah, 0.1 kilometers is how far he runs. Okay, now, how many hours does he spend? So, how many seconds are there in a minute? How many minutes are there in an hour? So, he runs 9.58 divided by 60 times 60 hours. Okay, because it's 60 minutes, 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. What's that? Put that into your calculator for me. 9.58 divided by 60 times 60. Make sure... Can you say again? No, divided by 60 times 60. Divided by 3,600. If you want to do it that way. Very good. Well done. 0.0026 hours. Sorry, I'm running out of space here. 0.026 hours. Okay, so what is the equation for speed again? Shout out for me. Very good. So what's the distance he runs in kilometers? 0.1. What is the time he runs in hours? Yeah, very good. So, work out how fast he ran in kilometers an hour. 8.46 kilometers an hour. That's so fast. That's faster than my motorbike, especially in Hanoi traffic. All right, thank you. Well done. Look, you worked out the speed of Usain Bolt. Okay, I'm going to put that on YouTube after the lesson. You can watch it again if you're confused, okay? Okay.